G'day everyone, these are some socket set handles that I found at the tip. This one's pretty rough Chinese made. But anyway, I cut the heads off, turn them down in the lathe, and that's some solid copper bar that I'm going to put some retaining compound in, and from previous experience I know that it won't go anywhere. You don't need a lot of this stuff. It's a very tight gap in there. Engineer's glue I call it, and it's brilliant. Put that over here. Alright. Put that there, put that there. Put that there. Couple of sharp little taps. Clean off the stuff that's squeezed out. That's nice. That's not going anywhere. Okay. Number 2, the smaller size. Where's my toothpick? You don't want to get this stuff on you. I don't think it's really good for your human skin. Like a lot of stuff that we use in our workshop. The least exposure, the better. Smear it on. I use toothpicks. Geez, I use toothpicks a lot for a lot of different things. Put the excess back in. Put the lid back on now while I got that. Alright, number 2. Couple of sharp wraps again. Clean that up. Well, they're not going anywhere. And there we have it. 2 nice copper hammers that will come in handy for different stuff. Alright, hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.